They're passionate, they are idealistic, they want to go out and change the world.
Provides the opportunity to both take care of the elderly as well as create an industry that is profitable while doing so.
Frankly, I don't see it as a professional choice so much as a life choice.
A sort of security financially in case of the risk.
Independence and the freedom to move from one domain to the other.
We have to be sensitive to their needs.
Nobody wants to be a beneficiary. We banned the use of the term beneficiaries.
My name is Dr. Jitendra Agrawal. I was trained dental surgeon. I am representing Sarthak Educational Trust. Initially, people, I think paraprofessionals approached us and then they were recruited like that. But for this Tata Institute, for the professionals, we advertise and we requested some of the other people in Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and then they send the resumes to us, and then we interviewed them and selected them. So we are getting the candidates through referral systems, through the head of the organizations of the institutes, or maybe through trained by some other NGOs also. We have permanent staff of 10 people, where our 2 of staff are professionals and 7 of them are paraprofessionals, and we have some visiting faculty also who comes and go. So if we talk about the conventional thing, that people who are employed with us, so they know our processes, they know the ground reality, and it's very easy for them to understand the thing and to do the work. But of course there are advantages also in outsourcing the work, but my experience is, if the person who is employed is more preferable. It's my personal choice. I think the most important, there are many other factors also, of course, finances and others, but the motivation that every day we get from the candidates, because there is a group of candidates, around 10-15 candidates, who used to come and visit our premises for assessment, and their stories, their motivation level, because we are placed on the 3rd floor, but a person who is on the wheelchair is also trying to go there, and so motivation level that our candidates are motivating our staff and even me also. We have a reporting format, whatever weekly we assign works to them, so they are reporting that, and we every week we used to meet, or every day that report is coming to us, and then we are checking that they are achieving the targets that they are, and I think they tries to achieve more than that also. So that's also motivate us. Retaining the professionals also, we are trying to pay them that whatever is the actual market scenario, what they are getting the payment. So we are also focusing on them that they should be paid equally if they go to in the corporate. So that is also we are trying to achieve that. Initially it's a challenge, but as soon as you will find a professional working in an organization, I think you will feel many changes. Whole scenario will be changed, and you will feel comfortable in managing the things over there. So I think if a professional comes to in a social enterprise space, what I can advise, that initially for him also it will be a challenge, but the satisfaction level he is going to get, he is going to achieve will be unbelievable, I can say, because I can share with my experience that the satisfaction level, the people who are getting employment, and when they are coming with sweets and this thing, with their family people, that I am employed now, I am earning so much money, and now they are getting married also, and the people are, and their parents are telling us now that such a girl or boy for him. So it's really amazing. So the satisfaction levels after doing the work in this sector he is unbelievable. Means I cannot I think define in my words that how much satisfied every day, every night when you are going for a sleep. So it's amazing. It's amazing.